Let me hold on. Woo, woo. Alright, hold on, that's too much. That's too much.
I like the door.
You like the door handles? Door handles tough. The door handles is tough. Alright. So, if y'all couldn't tell from the inside of the car, man, it's a 2017 Challenger. This is the RT Plus, so it's got the V8.
Listen, I ain't knocking this car for some of us are stupid. And, the gas cap says fuel on it.
Right, I know, right? They just making sure you know, man, that it says fuel. You know, gas go right here, but I'm not. I don't really like the metal. I don't like that chrome cap. That's not for me. That's not my style. But anyway,
it's just with the
what?
What truck was that we took? Oh, the God damn it, that Dodge.
What Dodge?
It wasn't even a Dodge, it was a Ram. The
Ram, okay, yeah, the Ram had that. So, 2017 Challenger RT Plus. Now, this comes with the 5.7 V8. It's got the nice little wheels on it, and it comes with leather seats and a sunroof.
I'm 20s too.
Yep, 20s, big 20s. I like those. Now, these rims look better. If you notice, these the same rims. They kind of look like the ones on the 300. But the 300 got more of like a skinnier spoke on it.
Oh,
yeah, they look just like the 300 wheels.
Especially that green one.
Yeah, I like them. But just so y'all know, I'm a Charger person. I'm not a big fan of the Challenger because it's a two-door. I really not a two-door car, two-door type person. But it do look mean though. Look at that. And I ain't gonna lie, getting this out the spot ain't easy because this car is huge, especially the hood is super huge. For those, I know it's a million people that love these cars. So we usually there's there's a hole right here for air, but I'm not sure why this one don't got the air. The other one did have it.
Yeah, I like that feature. And it still has the light. It just has the air intake.
Yeah, the air intake in there. So it's the RT Challenger. It's got the fog lights on it too. Gotta have the fog lights, but just look at it. It look mean. Got the hood. It's got the scoops. These are functional scoops, so the air can go through there. Through the intake. Like it. Hemi badge letting you know there's a Hemi in there, man. So if you see this, it's automatically got a 5.7 in it. Usually it's always a 5.7 when you got that Hemi badge. If you don't see the Hemi badge or the Scat Pack badge, it's a V6. And they got this one for $33,900. Anybody that's looking for 2017.
That's affordable.
Yeah, that is. That's a pretty good price for these cars, and it's got some power. Got the sunroof. I like it, and it's white. You know I like white cars. Gotta have the white.
The back one reminds me like of
old style. You gotta keep it. You gotta keep it like that, man. Old style. Yeah, look at the trunk, though. You got the button. Okay, show them the trunk space, bro. You can put bodies, all of that. You know what? I probably could have fit all four of my rims in here.
I like ordered a pocket pussy.
So all the brand new seats and all the brand new mats and stuff in there because it is brand new. So check out, y'all already know, man, Marina Dodge, Webster, New York. Shane Pitts, thumbs up guy on Facebook, thumbs up car guy on Instagram.
Needs a wash, bro.
And that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's a little dirty.
For the outside. For the outside,
that's really all we got.
Stance that I like too. It look like the tires on the back are way bigger than
I mean, it's a Challenger, man. Y'all already know what's up with these, man. This big boy car right here, super nice. Look at those big rotors, man. Super big rotors. All right, inside. When you close it, open it, the window drop down and go back up to seal a door in. So we open it, it drop down, boom, easy. Open up. I don't know. I think it's like a coupe thing. It just does that to unlock, open the doors. So this one comes with the Alpine audio system as well. Y'all know I love the Alpine. These door handles is dope, bro. I didn't know the Challenger had these door handles. This like some Lambo type shit. Cause you know the Lamborghini, you pull a thing like that and it go up. Yeah, I like that. That's crazy. There's nice leathers in there, man. But this right here is the view you need right here. This view right here is crazy. Cause you don't see nothing but hood. And it's just so much room up there. But I'ma turn it on real quick so y'all can see the cluster.
Let's see the engine, baby. Before we
Oh yeah, my fault, my bad, you right. Let's do the engine. That 5.7 liter Hemi. Oh, come Come on, champ. You got that? Oh, nope. Come on, brother. It's in there, man. Nope. No. All right, let me see if I can. Oh, right there. Boom. Pull it up. Boom. Easy. Okay. Nice and clean in there. Now, for most, I don't know if you, I watch a lot of YouTube, so literally everybody that got one of these, they got rid of this. They got a nice little cold air intake in there. But 5.7 liter V8, man, 370 horsepower, I believe. Don't get me lying. I think it's 370. It might be 380. I'm not too sure, but look. Oh, that's crazy. Look, here go all the engine configurations that they put in here. All in the Challenger. So look, 3.6, 5.7. The 6.4 is the Scat Pack motor, and the 6.2 is the Hellcat motor. Dang, that's crazy. I didn't know they put that on there. There y'all go. They go to motor. It look nice, man. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Right. It let you know you got some power in there, and it's easy to pull power out of these motors too. Real easy.
I mean, I would have thought there was a lot of room, but this plastic really takes everything. So that radiator gotta be bigger than that.
Yeah. I mean, but it's real easy. Like I said, it's real easy to pull power out of these, bro. Real easy. And you gotta think they put a 6.4 in here too. In the same bay. So it's room in there, but I don't know. It just look like they covered up a lot. That's all it is. Just these big plastics. But all right, let's hop inside. Like I said, those holes up there are functional right here, so you can go right in there. That's where the air come through at. All right, let's close that. Let's jump in the inside. All right, look at these seats. I like the seats, bro. The seats were soft, right?
Yeah.
Real nice. The seats real small, little soft. It's leather, but it's not like that stiff leather. It's real. It's got a nice bolster on it, and it's smooth. It's got the heated seats right here, so y'all see the little the holes in it. So it's got the heated seats.
A lot of room back there.
Yeah, it's not, I don't know about the back. You think you can get back there? But it's got 2 cup holders back there, and that's pretty much it for the back, man.
Yeah, I mean, the interior is nice as hell. I like these little lights up here.
Little dome lights. Yeah, that's cool. These right here for the seat belt. Yeah, let's get in here real quick.
Got the little vented with the name on it.
Oh yeah, that's new. That's new for the 17 year. I think they didn't usually do that every year.
Let me get the exhaust.
Yeah, get the exhaust real quick. That thing sounds good, boy.
Got the little exhaust tips.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, go ahead. For y'all muscle people.
Damn, I never realized how good the 5.7 sounds, man.
It sounds good, man.
I never drove a 5.7. I only drove a 6.4, which is the Scat Pack motor. So.
Oh, you did?
Yep, that's the only one I drove. I drove it with Shane too. Crazy part is, we drove a red one. Yep.
Okay.
That's how I know this road. He took me down the same exact road we go down.
Okay.
But I'm gonna start it up so we can get this screen going. You about to drive though, but so nice little dash. Nah, I usually don't care for the analogs, but the analogs and the Challengers look so dope. It's still got that old-fashioned look to it, which make it look nice to me. I like these looks. This right here is one of the dopest little speedometers ever, and it's still got the digital in the middle, so you gotta have that, man. Auto, up and down on both sides. And then you already know, man, we got the U-Connect in all of the Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram vehicles, everything. Always come with a U-Connect. What's going on with the screen? Screen don't want to work for us today?
It was working when we hopped in here.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. All right, hit power. Heated and cool seats? Is that what I just said?
Yeah.
Okay, heated and cool seats. Damn.
And steering wheel.
For 33, oh, it's not bad, bro. It's not a bad price. I like this. Yeah, you can turn yours on. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel on too. I like it. So, you know, you already get same usual stuff, all the Bluetooth, all that good stuff. You got the apps and the phone feature. Then you got all your buttons down here. Oh, this got a sport mode. Oh shoot, got the sport mode button here. And I think that's pretty much it for this one. It's really don't got all the big features, but I like this right here.
Yeah, I like
this little, what is that? Is that the honeycomb? Oh yeah, it is the honeycomb. So this is the honeycomb trim right here. That's nice, and it go all the way around from the top dash too. I don't know if y'all can see that real well. Look at the honeycombs in there. It's nice. I like this. And bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was so like, nah, I'm not a Challenger. Like, nah, I gotta get a Charger. Challenger is not what it is. But this is nice. Changed my, this is the second car I changed my opinion of it, because I really wasn't a Challenger fan.
Oh, I'm still not a muscle guy, but
let me
it's a
see.
pretty nice car.
Got some storage room in there. Got a USB, the aux cord, another USB, and a lighter. So, all right, let's take this on a quick drive. You about to drive? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Jose about to whip this thing.
Ugh. Driving cars always change my opinion of them.
We might not be able to go our usual route though, because of the traffic.
If I put the seatbelt right here, it'll be way easy to get to.
Oh, you're right. This don't got the automatic. This booty.
Oh, this one got the automatic?
It's, what you think? This big sexy?
This big sexy.
This big
right.
sexy?
Hold on.
This big sexy.
Okay, that was gay too.
Alright, man. And we just gonna go back the same way through the school, because that traffic up here crazy. Damn, bro, that shit sounds so good.
I like how you gotta shift down for it.
Same thing like the SRT Jeep, the Grand Cherokee we did.
We shift
Same
it
way.
down?
Yeah, you pull it down. Woo! Damn, okay. Getting nuts with it. Oh, you definitely let some tread back there though.
Did I?
Nah, you didn't.
No, I can't see anything with that sticker on me.
Okay.
Alright, let's get up here.
Oh, you did. God damn.
Alright, I'm gonna try to hit her.
Yeah. That shit sound good. You hear every time you shift in between, it's
I was shifting a little.
Oh, that shit sound good.
Yeah, that definitely.
Dude, it's got the paddle shifters on it? No, it don't.
Nah.
Oh, that's whack. Now you can just put this right back up in the front. Damn, that shit sound good, bro.
What? I wasn't hitting it right. If I was hitting it right, you would have heard it way better.
Yeah.
I just don't know how to hit her. Gotta get up there.
Shit, you in the muscle.
I felt the back though.
In the muscle cars, man, you can just floor it. Yeah, you felt it spin out a little bit?
I felt it.
Man, these challenges be getting loose. They throw it back. Damn, this shit. Yo, man, this Challenger is nice as hell.
Yeah, it's definitely changed.
Damn, and I underestimated the 5.7 too. Cause I'm like I said, I only drove the 6.4. The 6.4 is the one from the Scat Pack, so and it's, you know, that's the one with all the power besides the Hellcat. But this wasn't bad too. You gonna park back in the same spot?
I'm a driver.
Come on, man. You gonna crash into that man AMG?
Nah, can't afford that car.
This car is, yo, this shit is a big car, bro.
This is a bigger car than I expected it to be.
That's another reason why I probably wouldn't buy this one over the Charger. This car big, man. Yo, but that's it, man. We back at the dealership, man.
That's not it. I'll do a little walk around.
Oh, you ain't gonna get in there, champ. Come on, you ain't got no skills, man. Yo,
You doubting me over here, man.
you got it, man. Let me see them skills. Yo, I didn't see no sensors though. I didn't know this one had the sensors. Oh, you good now.
You said what? You said what?
Man, it took you long enough. You got that? Yep, there you go. The texture part.
Alright, people. Also, I got a Reflection Vapors Lounge shirt on. You can find them at 4464 Lake Avenue. Get all your vaping stuff, man. They're real professional, real nice, man. I love going to them all the time, man.
Damn, is it about to die? Oh, it's about to die. Oh! Oh yeah, it's about to die, but it's already off. Oh, the window. Just push it. There you go. That thing sound good, boy. So this big sexy, huh?
I was impressed with this one way more.
Ooh wee. Get them keys. Oh, so yeah, bro, it do got the sensors down here. Didn't even see them. Look at that exhaust too, man.
Yeah, you ain't even saw it.
That thing sound crazy. Yeah, you got in there, alright. If it was washed up, it'd have been nice. But yo, that's it, man. We back at Marina, man. We appreciate
that side. If you ever think about getting in the car, get in that side.
We don't buy Hondas, man. Muscle cars, man. Muscle cars. But yo, that's it, man. We appreciate y'all for watching, man. We back at the dealership. We're gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.